Hey guys, this is another quick video. This is the first kitchen knife I ever made. I finished it up a couple months ago. The blade steel is 154 cm. I use black G10 handles that I contoured with titanium liners and black G10 liners. I mirror polished the screws. If you notice, the quality of the video is a little different. It's in portrait mode. I had to use my new camera on my phone to film and take the pictures. I picked up the Samsung S20. It has a pretty good camera. It shoots in 8K, but I filmed in 4K at 60 frames a second. My normal Canon camera that I've been using, the SL2, was stolen, but I still have all my lenses, so I ordered the Canon 90D, and I just picked it up a couple days ago. The blade has a hand-rubbed finish. It took hours and hours of sanding to get that hand-rubbed finish. I sculpted the bolsters on each side of the handle so you can kind of get that grip for when you're chopping stuff in the kitchen. I went around all the edges of the knife and polished them to a very high polish. This knife is really thin behind the edge. It makes it really scary sharp, combined with that wicked edge, 17 degrees per side. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my first kitchen knife, and there's probably going to be more to come. Till I catch you on the next one, have a good one guys.